It's time for the perfect brunch or lunch. Okay, starting with what everybody usually has in the house is eggs. So we like egg whites in my house, but you could totally use full-on scrambled eggs for this. I put some oil in the pan. I used 3 egg whites for this. So while the egg white is cooking, I grab a handful of chips and I kind of smash them down and create a bed for my eggs. And I also take a can of refried, these are black refried beans that I've literally just opened the can and microwaved. Slide the egg right on the top, throw on some cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you have. I happen to have cheddar. And I also put in salsa, and sometimes I do sliced avocado on top. Enjoy.